Yeah, procrastination, whatever. Anyway, right now it's 13th of November, which is normally an autumn or fall month, not a winter month. And it is actually very nice weather here in Doha. It is not very hot, it's not very cold, it's just nice weather. Nice weather in a desert, really? No, not really. Anyway, yeah, we've had a bit of weather changes now since it's getting close to winter. Like, it was raining a couple days ago.
Is it raining? Yes. In Doha? Yes. Why? Yes. Wait, what?
Yes.
Let's see. Roads all wet. Gravel wet over there. Some guy trying to get in there. Tree that's supposedly wet. No one cares. The sky is all dark. There should be rain hitting this any time now. It's raining in Doha.
Yeah, anyway, apart from any of those other stuff, the weather, I really haven't done much except for vlog that. And, hacky sack. Don't ask. Anyway, you know, I'm actually wearing my, one of my Super Camp shirts. Tell me what you like about me. I dare you. Just something that we learned there. Don't pay any attention to it. I'm actually watching where I'm going. Because all these curbs and stuff, they're tricky. Anyway, and cars can just randomly come by anyway. I would film me doing some hacky sack, but it's not that easy to do. Let's see if I can get. I guess this is fine. Can't really get this. Yeah. Yeah, not a good idea. And time to go back to over there, which is not okay. Let's see, Oyster Street and Srinaga Street. Yay, street names. I can't help but look around when the camera is actually facing towards me. I apologize for that, it's a habit I do. I'm actually surprised that there are people actually going swimming. You probably can't see that over there. I'm actually surprised about that because it's getting kind of colder. Yeah. I think I'll just have a play around with Final Cut Pro later and edit something in my room. Maybe. Like green screening or cloning myself. That might work. Yeah, if it doesn't work, oh well, there's not going to be anything at the end of this. But if there is, then if I do get around to doing that, then there will be. So anyway. That's all I got for today, so I'll see you guys later. Oh, item of the day, hacky sack, yay. Yeah, see ya.